If you've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade your tech, your home, or even your daily routine, Amazon's early Black Friday deals just made that a lot easier. Some of the year's most useful gadgets and everyday essentials are getting real price drops. So instead of scrolling through hundreds of deals, here are the ones actually worth your attention. Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. Original price $850, new price $750. Let's get started with the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. This lightweight MacBook offers a big performance lift while still being easy to carry around. Memory and storage configurations typically include 8GB to 16GB of unified memory and fast solid-state storage, enabling smooth multitasking and quick app launches. The fanless design keeps it quiet, while its thermal-efficient architecture helps maintain performance under load. Connectivity includes USB-C Thunderbolt ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth, supporting external displays and peripherals. Sony Bravia 8 II series. Original price $3,000, new price $2,300. And once you've handheld your productivity setup, you might be looking to elevate your entertainment experience as well. The Sony Bravia 8 II series TV brings vibrant color, sharp detail, and smooth motion handling that suits both movies and sports. Its advanced processing makes streamed content look cleaner and more dynamic, and the smart features give you quick access to apps and voice control options. The sound system is built to feel fuller and more immersive, letting you watch comfortably without needing an external speaker. But if you want even deeper blacks and more premium visuals, there's another option worth considering. Introducing the LG 65-inch OLED Evo AI 4K TV. Original price $2,897, new price $1,997. This OLED TV takes picture quality up another level. With its self-lit pixels, color accuracy, and strong HDR support, it's ideal for viewers who want a truly immersive screen. The AI-powered processing helps brighten screens, refine motion, and enhance lower-resolution content. Its slim profile and large screen make it a clean, moderate centerpiece for a movie room or gaming setup. Apple Watch SE 3 smartwatch. Original price $240, new price $200. Of course, enjoying entertainment is great, but staying on top of your daily health and movements matters too. The Apple Watch SE 3 smartwatch covers the essentials with a smooth interface, health tracking, and reliable GPS for outdoor activity. It keeps you updated with notifications, fitness rings, and convenient Siri access, all in a familiar wearable design. Water-resistant and all-day battery life help it keep up whether you're exercising, working, or managing family features like safety alerts and setup options. But if you prefer something even lighter and simpler for wellness tracking, the Fitbit Inspire 3 health and fitness tracker is for you. Original price $100, new price $70. This slim tracker focuses on everyday activity without adding bulk. It tracks steps, calories, sleep patterns, and basic notifications while offering a long battery life between charges. Its comfortable design makes it easy to wear non-stop, and its guided breathing sessions help manage stress throughout the day. Westinghouse electric blanket. Original price $110, new price $85. For chilly nights or sore muscles, this heated blanket adds customizable warmth with a soft surface and dual controls. The even heat distribution makes it great for relaxation, and the auto-off timer adds a layer of safety. Being machine washable also makes upkeep stress-free. Beckham bed pillows. Original price $80, new price $60. And once warmth is handled, getting your sleep support right can make an even bigger difference. These pillows balance softness and firmness for better alignment while you sleep. They're built to stay supportive instead of flattening out, and the breathable covers helps you stay cool throughout the night. Their durability and easy maintenance make them a long-term comfort upgrade. Google Nest Cam. Original price $150, new price $120. Now, let's beef up your security with the Google Nest Cam. This camera offers clear video, motion alerts, and night vision to help keep an eye on your space. It works smoothly with smart home systems and provides two-way audio for communication when you're away. Setup is straightforward, making it a strong option for boosting indoor safety. But for valuables that need more controlled access, something more secure may help. Biometric Safe. Original price $317. New price $190. This safe uses fingerprint recognition for quick, keyless entry, giving you faster access to important items, while keeping everything protected behind steel construction. Backup pin options, shelves for organization, and tamper alerts make it useful for storing documents, jewelry, or other essentials. Chefman Air Fryer. Original price $180. New price $90. We all know the kitchen is one place where a versatile upgrade can save you time daily. This air fryer helps you prepare meals using little to no oil, making weeknight cooking easier and healthier. With adjustable settings, a generous basket, and built-in safety features, it's great for quick snacks, reheating, or full meals. Its compact size also works well for small spaces. Mooka Air Purifier. Original price $80. New price $38. The next deal on our list is the Mooka Air Purifier. This purifier uses HEPA and charcoal filtration to improve air quality by capturing dust, pollen, and odors. With multiple fan speeds and an indicator for filter changes, it's easy to tailor performance to different rooms. Its quiet operation and compact design make it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or common areas. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Original price